ladies and gentlemen, while a carrier or an insurance company may suggest to you that if you get the car fixed at a shop that's not on their list or not in their network, that the work won't be warranted, that's simply not true. Most, if not all, of your collision repair facilities that have had the proper training and equipment and also, have the OEM guidelines to follow are going to offer you a warranty whether they're on that list or not. So it's really important that you understand that when you're interviewing shops and selecting them, just simply ask them, will you warranty my work if I'm getting my vehicle fixed with you, regardless of the insurance involvement? And I think you'll be quite surprised that most shops will say yes.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, and please comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry, as well as serving you, the consumer. For more information, visit scrs.com or click in the description below.